Welcome friends to week 2 of our 30 Days of Zen journey. From now on we will be counting the breath on the exhalation only, so that one full cycle counts as one. And today we will be starting with 8 minutes in Zazen. So go right ahead and take a comfortable seat of your choice, one that allows you to sit with the spine erect. And in either position, whether you're sitting in Seiza, which is sitting on the heels, cross-legged, or even on a chair, use a cushion to sit as high as needed to bring the knees down below the hips. Like that, you can easily tilt the pelvis forward and maintain that natural bend in the lower spine. Lift the sternum slightly and tuck in the chin. And try to relax everything else, including the shoulders and all the muscles in your face. Keep your hands in your lap, or if you want, form a Zen mudra by placing one hand just below the navel, palm facing up, and the other one on top of it. And bring the thumbs to touch slightly. Now lower your gaze downwards, but keep the eyes slightly open. And start with the abdominal breathing. So the lower abdomen expands as you inhale and contracts on your exhale. So today we will be counting the breath on the exhalation for 8 minutes. So before we begin, take a deep breath in and exhale completely. Inhale, exhale, count 1. Inhale, exhale, 2. Inhale, exhale, 3. Inhale, exhale, 4. Inhale, exhale, 5. Inhale, exhale, 6. Inhale, exhale, 7. Inhale, exhale, 8. Inhale, exhale, 9. Inhale, exhale, 10. Inhale, exhale, 1. Inhale, exhale, 2. Inhale, exhale, 3. Inhale, exhale, 4. Inhale, exhale, 5. Inhale, exhale, 6. Inhale, exhale, 7. Inhale, exhale, 8. Inhale, exhale, 9. Inhale, exhale, 10. Now continue counting the breath by yourself. I will mind the time and let you know when to release and relax. Take a deep breath in and empty your lungs completely. Bring your awareness back into your body and relax the posture. When you're ready, blink the eyes open and become aware of whatever surrounds you. Take your time before you get up. Thanks for joining me today. I hope I will see you all tomorrow. So take good care for now and have a wonderful day.